All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So what we got here is a 72 CT70 mini bike. We've had it for a very long fucking time. Probably hasn't ran in about 20 years or so. So we're gonna get to it. We're gonna clean her up a little bit. As you can see, the thing is fucking filthy. Let's get this fucking piece of shit out of the way. Yeah, we got that piece of shit out of the way. So we're gonna get to work on this piece of shit, and we'll see if we can fucking send it. Stay mint. Whee! This thing is fucking disgusting. Oh god. Jesus Christ.
She's got some dust on her. Oh, fantastic.
Oh, God. This thing is disgusting.
Do the horses... How does the hay even get there? I don't know. But there's hay all over in here. It must have just been like birds and crap. Yeah, there's a few nests up there.
All right.
Oh, fantastic. Big open door. Here we go. Perfect.
Honest opinion, this thing is honestly fuck, I said honestly so many times. God damn it, fuck! As you can see, I got a great working clutch. There's nothing there. So that's one of the things, and you might not be able to tell, but we need an exhaust. I don't know if you guys can tell. Fuck, I hope you guys can tell. It's a little loud. But holy fuck, is this thing running great for what I expected. Holy fuck, we were probably going like 20 there. This thing's quick. Oh, that was fucking dang. Honest opinion, this thing is actually really fun to drive. And here's why. Do you need to go fast to have fun? No, you don't. You just need something like this that you can literally just, it's so light, it's so easy to throw around. Watch. Look at that. Well, again, I'm fast. Okay, I can't say that I have more fun on it than the KTM, or KTM. Fuck, I wish I had a KTM. Than the Kawasaki. But this thing is still fun as fuck. Just because you can just throw it around. Here we go. Subscribe if you're new to the channel because we got stupid shit coming out every day of the week. You know how it is here. All right, guys. Take her fucking easy.